In the rapidly evolving digital landscape of 2025, the opportunities for making money online have expanded exponentially. With tools like Canva and ChatGPT at your disposal, anyone with a creative spark and a willingness to learn can carve out a lucrative niche for themselves. The synergy between these platforms creates an ecosystem where creativity meets automation, allowing you to generate income in innovative ways. Canva, the graphic design platform that has democratized design, offers a plethora of templates and tools that enable users to create stunning visuals without requiring advanced design skills. In 2025, Canva has evolved, incorporating more advanced features such as AI-driven design suggestions and enhanced collaboration tools. This means that whether you are a small business owner, a freelancer, or an aspiring influencer, you can harness the power of Canva to produce professional-grade graphics for various purposes. One of the most straightforward ways to monetize your Canva skills is by offering design services. Many businesses are in constant need of high-quality visuals for their social media, websites, and marketing materials. By positioning yourself as a Canva expert, you can create custom graphics for clients, ranging from social media posts and infographics to brochures and presentations. The key here is to build a portfolio showcasing your best work, which can be easily created using Canva's extensive library of templates. As you gain more clients and positive testimonials, your reputation will grow, allowing you to charge higher rates. Furthermore, you can create and sell Canva templates. The demand for ready-made templates is soaring, as many individuals and businesses prefer to customize existing designs rather than starting from scratch. By designing unique templates for various niches, like wedding invitations, business cards, or social media graphics, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy or your own website. This approach not only generates passive income, but also allows you to leverage your creativity in a scalable manner. In addition to Canva, ChatGPT has become an invaluable asset for content creation. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can assist you in generating engaging written content, brainstorming ideas, and even providing customer support. In 2025, it has become more intuitive, capable of understanding context and tone, making it an ideal partner for anyone looking to enhance their writing capabilities. By combining your design skills with ChatGPT's writing prowess, you can offer comprehensive services that cover both visual and textual content. For instance, if you're creating social media content for a client, you can use ChatGPT to generate catchy captions, blog posts, or even email newsletters. This not only saves you time, but also adds value to your services, making you a one-stop solution for clients seeking cohesive branding across different platforms. And as businesses increasingly recognize the importance of integrated marketing strategies, your ability to provide both design and content will set you apart from the competition. Another lucrative avenue is affiliate marketing. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can create compelling reviews and promotional content for products or services you believe in. By embedding your affiliate links within this content, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your recommendations. This strategy works particularly well in niches like health and wellness, technology, or lifestyle, where consumers often seek guidance before making purchases. By leveraging Canva to create eye-catching graphics for your blog or social media posts, you can drive traffic to your affiliate links, maximizing your earning potential. Moreover, educational content is in high demand. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating online courses or ebooks that teach others how to use Canva or leverage ChatGPT effectively. With the rise of e-learning platforms, you can reach a global audience eager to learn new skills. You can design visually appealing course materials using Canva and write engaging course content with ChatGPT's help. This combination not only enhances the learning experience, but also positions you as an authority in your field, opening doors to further opportunities, such as speaking engagements or consulting. As you explore these monetization strategies, it's crucial to stay updated on trends and best practices in both design and content creation. The digital landscape is constantly changing, and what works today may not be as effective tomorrow. Engaging with online communities, attending webinars, and following industry leaders can provide valuable insights and inspiration. Additionally, consider experimenting with emerging technologies such as augmented reality or interactive content, which can set you apart in a crowded market. Networking is another essential component of building a successful online business in 2025. Collaborating with other creatives, joining online forums, and participating in social media groups can help you connect with potential clients and partners. By sharing your knowledge and expertise, you can establish yourself as a go-to resource in your niche, leading to referrals and new business opportunities. Finally, never underestimate the power of personal branding. In a world saturated with content, having a strong personal brand can make a significant difference in attracting clients and customers. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work, share your journey, and engage with your audience. By being authentic and transparent, you can build trust and loyalty, which are invaluable assets in any business. In conclusion, making money online in 2025 using Canva and ChatGPT is not only feasible, but also highly rewarding. By leveraging the strengths of these powerful tools, you can offer a unique blend of design and content services that cater to the needs of a diverse clientele. Whether you choose to freelance, sell templates, engage in affiliate marketing, or create educational content, the possibilities are endless. With creativity, dedication, and a willingness to adapt, you can thrive in the digital economy and turn your passion into profit. Embrace the journey. And watch as your online business flourishes in this exciting new era.